In this video, we are going to discuss a natural remedy to cleanse the liver in 7 days. 7 consecutive days are spent drinking this amazing detox drink. All the dirt will come out of the body. The ingredients are all natural and healthy, and the recipe only takes less than 20 minutes to prepare. It is a powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that will make your liver's job easier. Take 1 tablespoon before bed and once more in the morning. The liver's toxins will simply wash away like water. If you watch the entire video, you will learn a ton of useful information about body cleansing in addition to this recipe. So, if you're ready, let's get into it. This natural remedy is what you need if you're wondering how to cleanse your liver in 7 days without using prescription medication. First ingredient, ginger. This hot root is a well-known all-natural remedy for cleansing the body and detoxifying fatty livers. We will need 100 grams of ginger root. Peel the ginger. Cut the peeled ginger into small pieces. Ginger has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and therapeutic properties, as well as containing compounds like gingerol, shogal, paradol, and zingerone. In fact, it has been claimed that ginger contains more than 100 different compounds. In addition to antioxidant properties, they also endow it with anti-cancer, neuroprotective, and cardiovascular protection properties. It is also excellent for detoxifying the body. Second ingredient, garlic. Garlic is another powerful ingredient in this natural balm recipe that will cleanse your body of all harmful toxins. We'll need a whole head of garlic. Peel the garlic cloves and cut into small pieces. Set aside for later use. Garlic is a superfood and antioxidant with numerous health benefits. It contains sulfur-containing compounds that are extremely potent, as well as vitamins and minerals that aid in liver detoxification. Taking raw garlic or garlic powder has also been shown in multiple studies to help reduce fat accumulation on the liver and the risk of fatty liver disease in men. Raw garlic consumption has also been linked to the prevention of liver cancer. Third ingredient, onion. We'll need 1 medium-sized head of onion. Peel the onion. Cut it into small pieces. Patients suffering from fatty liver can consume more onions. Onions' various sulfides can inhibit platelet coagulation, improve blood flow, and eliminate free radicals in the body. Onions' mercaptans, propylene sulfide, and other components lower blood lipids, increase good cholesterol in the body, and prevent arteriosclerosis. More importantly, onions' active ingredients can promote fat metabolism and prevent fatty liver. Now it's time to cook these ingredients. In a small pot, combine the ginger, garlic, and onion. Add 400 milliliters of water. Cover the pot and put it on medium heat. Let the ingredients boil. Gently mix the ingredients and leave to cook on the stove. Add 2 teaspoons of turmeric while it is cooking and mix it well with the other ingredients. Several studies suggest that turmeric, or a compound found in it called curcumin, can help treat non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Turmeric may help reduce inflammation, which is a major symptom of NAFLD. Cover and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Take the pot off the heat. Allow the drink to cool. Strain our liver cleansing drink and transfer it to a jar. Fourth ingredient, lemon. We'll need 1 whole lemon. Wash the lemon well. Cut the lemon into rings. Place 5 lemon slices in the jar. Citrusy lemon is high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which prevent free radicals from damaging liver cells and improve liver health. Aside from that, lemon's natural hepatoprotective properties have a positive impact on alcoholic-induced fatty liver by lowering lipid profile levels. Place the jar in the fridge. Drink 1 tablespoon of the miracle drink before going to bed every night and another 1 in the morning for a week. Your liver will be restored to its former glory, and you will feel much better and lighter. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.